So hi guys, good morning. So today we are going to pick up our Christmas tree. My stepsister and mom, we are going to pick up our Christmas tree. So yeah.
Yeah.
She maybe gave you the whole spiel.
Yeah, she did.
Alright.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Okay.
grab a wagon if you want and a saw.
Thank you.
Good luck, have fun.
Thanks.
You could literally get a huge one for $60, but my stand won't get.
So we just gonna see which Christmas tree we want. No.
Give me
Can I sit in it?
Yeah.
We're gonna see which Christmas tree we're gonna pick, and then yeah, you'll see after what Christmas tree we got.
We're definitely
I'm
not
cold.
doing that tree.
That is. Look how cute these are. Isn't it cute? I never see anything like it. And then I have a nice fire pit. It's so cute. So guys, we're back home. I forgot to show you what tree we got. It's a thick, very thick tree. So we are going to decorate it, and I'm going to show you after we are finished. It's my first time actually go for cut like a tree and actually gonna decorate our Christmas tree. How crazy is that? Yeah. So stay tuned for that. We are doing some decorating. So this is our Christmas tree, and we are just decorating it. Wow, I'm helping. We should just.
Yeah, we're stuck in somewhere probably.
It had to choose a hole to put it.
And we have this.
Anyways, try the finishing touch. So we are not done yet, but we still have a little bit to go. And below, we still need to finish below. So stay tuned for the final reveal. So this is the finishing touches. How pretty is this? It's so pretty. We didn't put the gifts yet, but soon a lot of gifts will be underneath there, and soon will be Christmas. So it is so pretty. Yeah. So hey guys, that's gonna be the end of my go cut a tree with me. So yeah, it's all decorated. So bye guys, enjoy, and I hope you enjoy this video, and yeah, bye.